So, in this video, we're gonna change the windshield wipers. So, let's see if you can see it. I have a little button right here. You press that button. To the right hand. What you do is you press this button and you push or you pull down. So, push this little button and push down. That's it. That's the whole thing, so this is trash. So, got the new ones. Like this. This is from Arrow, made in China. Now, as soon as you take one out, what you do is you compare the length. This looks pretty close. This not. So, with this one, there's a little strip right here. You take off that strip. Put pieces in here. I just press these two right here in order for it to work. Now, this piece right here. You see what the round piece is down here? I don't know if you guys can see it. Alright, there's a round piece, there's a flat piece. The flat piece goes towards the bottom, the round piece goes towards the top. So I'll slide this over to the round, because the round piece is right there, and then just line it up, push it up. That's it, and then you close it. And that windshield wiper is changed. It's simple, it's not rocket science. What I would suggest you guys do is clean the windshield before you put it on. You don't want to have a new windshield wiper with dirt on it, you know? That's pretty much it. It's not fancy like the other one that was on, but you not really worried about fancy. You're worried about visibility.